Hello everyone, my name is David from Lightex, and today I will show you how to crop any images in Photoshop. I will be using a picture I used in the last tutorial where I showed you how to cut an image or the background for a photo. Well, today I'll show you how to readjust the picture and you want to cut it. I will take two examples. In the first one, I will create a background 920 on 1080. Basically, it will be full HD, and I want also another project will be with the resolution of the photo. So I will just open with and Photoshop the image that I want to crop, and I will show you in both cases how to crop this image. And this is the second project. This project is on the resolution of the photo and the other one is full HD. Let's drag this photo also on the first project, and I want to maximize Photoshop, and let's start. I'll press enter and let's start with the second one with the resolution of the photo. If you want to crop this image, you will have to select first the picture and now press C as in Charlie, and you can play with the margins. If you readjust not the picture, you will have to drag this menu, and when you're done you will just have to press enter and you will crop everything that's outside this box. So let's go, press enter, and I just crop the image. Again, select the photo and press C, and you can drag this box and everything else is cropped. But what in the other case? Well, first I want to readjust the picture with Ctrl and T. I will drag it something like that. In this case you can also fulfill this if you want, but let's use it as in this case. So what if I want to crop this margin, this white margin? Go to the selection tool, press on the image, and again press on C. Well, as you can see, this box is not using the image resolution, it's using the resolution of the project you enter when you created the project, because you can drag from here this box. And by cropping, let's go all the way to the left, and it's working like that. Just press enter and you're done. So this was the tutorial how to crop an image in Photoshop. I really hope I was being helpful with this tutorial. Don't forget to smash up the like button and leave any questions down in the comment section if you have any. Have a great day.